yanınıza almayı, bebek can yeleklerini kabin ekibine teslim etmeyi unutmayın. Başüstü dolaplarını açarken ve eşyalarınızı alırken lütfen dikkatli olun. Pegasus ailesi olarak bizimle seyahat ettiğiniz için teşekkür ederim. Ladies and gentlemen, dear children, for your own safety, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the seatbelt signs have been switched off. From now on, you may use your mobile phone. When you leave the aircraft, please make sure you have taken all your personal belongings and do not forget to hand
Nice
back
day,
the gifts
huh?
and life
First
vests
of
to
all,
the cabin crew.
4 days only.
Please take care when listening overhead buses.
Aslan is not at
On
home,
behalf of the
so I
cabin
go
crew,
out.
we would like to thank
She
you for
went
flying with
out
us.
for dinner with her friends.
Hello?
Huh?
What are you going to do?
I will go to, we call it coffee in Turkish. You play games, you know?
Oh, with your friends. Okay.
Yeah, like Fight is going, maybe, you know?
Yeah.
All men.
Oh, wow. Nice.
All men chat, you know, everybody is like,
This evening you're going to do that.
and you play, and during the play you always drink, eat, you know, at the end, if you lose, you pay all the table.
You cannot play, okay?
Yeah, this is okay. You know how to play?
Yeah, I've seen, I know. Well, not exactly to be honest, but we have the kind of same game and a friend of Oscar showed me also once how to play.
Yeah, it's very easy.
Yeah,